In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a PowerPoint presentation to your Wix website using Canva and Wix's media upload tools. Start by accessing your Wix dashboard and opening the site you want to edit using the Site Selector dropdown. Next, open your presentation in Canva and select the text or content you wish to export. Then use the Share menu and choose the Download option to prepare your slides for uploading to the web. Now, adjust your export settings, ensuring JPG is selected as your file format, and then download the slides to your computer. After downloading, return to Wix and open the website editor. Click the Add button to open the Add Elements panel. Then select the Gallery category to view image options and open the Upload dialog to upload your slides. Choose your upload source, such as Dropbox if necessary, and select the image files you exported from Canva to add them to your Wix media library. Once uploaded, select the newly added images in the Upload list and close the Uploads panel when done. Finally, click Add to Page to embed the selected images from your PowerPoint onto your Wix site, making your presentation visible to visitors. You've now added your PowerPoint presentation to your Wix website.